Many customers ask me the same question. Can you make a reborn baby from a photo of my child? The answer is yes, but most people don't know the steps behind it. A finished silicone reborn baby takes several stages, and each one depends on the previous one. Let me explain how the process really works. Most customers asking this question don't know that a finished silicone reborn baby requires many stages: a portrait, a sculpture, a mold, a silicone casting, and then the final painting. Without the sculpture, there is no mold. Without the mold, there is no casting. And without the silicone casting, I cannot paint or deliver a finished reborn baby. So here's how the process actually starts. Step 1. The photos. I need clear reference photos. Awake or sleeping, smiling or serious, mouth open or closed, gums or tongue, finger positions, body shape, age, gender, arm and leg positions, feet relaxed or pointed. Every detail matters. These details are what I use to design your baby's portrait and sculpture. Step 2. The sculpture. Once I have all the information, I sculpt your baby, either by hand with clay or digitally on my computer. This part alone takes up to 2 months. Step 3. Cleaning and preparing the master. Whether it's clay or a 3D printed master, I still need to sand, wash, refine, and seal the sculpture before molding. Step 5. Painting and finishing. This whole process takes about 4 months from start to finish. And because each stage has its own materials and labor, the pricing is built step by step. A portrait is around $1,000. A portrait plus sculpture is around $2,000. Adding the mold is another $1,000, and each stage builds from there. If you still have questions, feel free to leave them below, and I'll be happy to explain more. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.